Now, these next two lines are the opposite. They tell all the crawlers that they're not allowed to index anything on your website. You're like, why did I do that? Well, typically you might do that if you're developing a new website and you don't want it to get indexed in the search engine before it's ready. Let me tell you, I've seen this happen way too many times that screwed people are really bad, where they started doing a redesign either in a subfolder, like /dev or dev dot whatever, and they did not lock it down from being indexed. Google found it, and now you got duplicate content everywhere. So this is something that you want to typically see on a new site that you might be developing, and it's the same thing. It's user agent star, meaning all user agents, disallow /, meaning you're not allowed to look anywhere. Just ignore this site, stay away. So the first one here is just, again, basically come out, check out anything that you want. Site's live, please do it. And the next one is don't allow anything. Here's the one thing you got to remember, though. Sometimes an analysis by Screaming Frogs revealed that 6% of websites have blocked their entire site or in big important sections using the robots.txt file. And many of those, they're unintentional blocks or they're leftovers after a redesign rollover. Because if you're redesigning on a site, you're going to have that user agent block. You're going to say no index, no follow. The whole thing needs to stay away. And now when you roll that new version of the site over to the live site and you bring the robots.txt file over, well, if you don't go in there and get rid of that disallow, you have a new website that you've told Google, hey, you're not allowed to index anything here. So that's typically what I see happen. The other thing I see happen a lot as well is in WordPress. In WordPress, there's a setting that you can say, discourage engines from indexing. A lot of times when a site's ready to go live, people forget to uncheck that box and Google can't index anything. So what it does is it puts in a disallow /. That's what that box does. Creates a little robots.txt file and puts it in there for you. So be careful. Check this. Keep an eye on it when you're doing that.